Uh, Good evening, Ayush Mahajan. Please
Yes.
tell me about yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Ayush Mahajan. I am born and raised in the historical city of Burhanpur, that is in Madhya Pradesh. My highest qualification is MBA from SGS ITS Indore with the marketing in HR as a domain. I have done my bachelor's degree in business administration, and my interest and hobbies include photography, content writing, and sketching.
Which year did you complete your MBA?
So, September 2023.
Acha. Um, is this your first mock with me?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Can you please tell us about your family?
Okay, so we are the family of seven. We have five siblings. My father is retired from Bank of Baroda, and my mother is a teacher. One of my sister is a doctor. Second one is in TCS. She is in London. Third one is an MBA, and the fourth one, she is in CA final and currently working in Federal Bank, CRCH Mumbai.
Is working in Federal Bank as?
Uh, Sir, I don't know the main designation, but she is in CRCH, Credit Retail Hub branch,
Where? Which
Mumbai.
branch? Mumbai.
Mumbai.
As an officer?
Yes, sir.
Oh. What is your cell phone number? First five digits?
95227.
95227. Last number?
Double two double one.
DOS number बोलिए.
2211, sir. Last number.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Now you have studied MBA, and which bank are you having account?
Sir, in Bank of Baroda.
Who is the MD and CEO of Bank of Baroda?
Uh,
Who is the MD and CEO of our Federal Bank?
Sir, KVS Manian, sir.
Okay. Now, why should I give this job to you?
Sir, as I mentioned, I am already a culture fit person for this job. I have seen my father, and now I'm seeing my sister too. Also, I have now I am now passion I have raised in banking because the two of my batchmates, my sisters, have also joined bank. So I am interested in banking, and I'm a hardworking person since my school days.
What are the things you have prepared for this interview?
Sir, basic knowledge about RBI, the SURFACI Act, and types of collateral, in how many days NPA is declared.
Acha. You have studied
Yes,
all that.
yes, sir.
Good. Can you tell me what you know about RBI briefly?
Sir, it's a central bank of India which oversees the banking system and monetary policy. It also regulates the currency issuance in our country. Its main function is to oversee, supervises the Bank of India, and it is also called the lender of last resort because it provides emergency funds to banks facing liquidity issues. The
Did you
governor of RBI and yes, sir.
did you mention about note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, monetary policy authority?
Yes, sir.
Did you mention
Yes, sir. I told monetary policy and currency issuing, regulate currency issuance. I said
foreign exchange? You did not tell. Huh?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me tell me what all you know about Reserve Bank.
What bank, sir?
About Reserve Bank, what are the other things you know?
Sir, I have gone through how it controls inflation through monetary policy by
Mm,
increasing the repo rate
mhm.
and
How it is controlling inflation?
sir, if the liquidity is more in the market, it simply increases the repo rate, and this time it's 6.5% for the 10th consecutive time.
Mm, Now, who was the previous MD and CEO of Federal Bank?
Sorry, sir. Previous, I don't know.
Shyam Srinivasan.
Okay, sir.
Who is the chairman of our bank?
Sir, AP Hota.
Correct. Good. What do you know about Federal Bank?
It's a private sector bank established in 1931, currently headquartered in Eluva, Kerala. Uh, the tagline of the bank is your perfect banking partner. Uh, the chairman is AP Hota, MD and CEO, which we have already mentioned. KVS Manian, sir, executive director. Mrs. Shalini Mauryan, Mr. Harsh Dugar. The quarter one financial result says that the net profit was 1009.53 crores. Total deposits are
Yeah.
2.66 lakh crore. Uh,
Mm.
and market capitalization was 474 billion, sir.
Okay. Good. Now, you said you studied about NPA.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is NPA?
Sir, INP stands for non-performing assets. For example, when a bank give loan to a person or a company and the repayments stops to come, then from the 91st day, it can be called NPA.
Mhm. So, what
Uh,
does a bank do? An account is classified as NPA.
Sir, basically, it is classified into three categories. The 91st day, it is NPA. The 91st to 12 month, we call it substandard account. And the 12 month plus, it becomes doubtful. And if even further it remains NPA, it is termed as lost asset. But recently, RBI matlab, regulated some policy regarding this. Before 90 days also, what bank are supposed to do? So they are supposed to make special mention account, special mention account 0, mention account 1 and 2. For days 1 to 30 days, it is special mention account 0, and 31 to 60 days is special mention account 1 to take care of the repayments.
Super. This one you are telling very nicely. I'm happy. Now,
Thank you.
please convince me about opening fixed deposit accounts with Federal Bank.
Okay, sir. So, hello. Uh,
Yeah. Tell-
Federal Bank also provides the services that other banks are providing, but we are providing in a more efficient way. Uh, Sir, but I am not aware about the FD rate of Federal Bank, so I cannot mention that.
You have to go through the website to know about FD rates, SB rate, then loans. What are the features of loan, like gold
Yes,
loan,
sir.
then car
Yes.
loan, then housing loan, etc. And then prepare. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You said you prepared about SURFACE Act. Can you tell
Yes.
me what is SURFACE Act?
The SARFAESI Act was passed in the year 2002. It stands for Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest. This act came with the introduction of asset reconstruction companies in the country. Also, the concept of bad banks was introduced. For example, NARCL, which is National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited.
No, but this alone will not do. You will have to tell that once the account becomes NPA, bank
Yes, sir.
issues notice to SURFACE Act for 60 days, after which they give time for payment, and if it's still not repaid, then they will take possession and bring the property for sale. The most important point you have to tell is SURFACE Acts empowers banks and financial institutions to proceed and recover the money by bringing the property for sale without going to the court.
Okay, sir.
That is a very, very important point. You have to tell me now. We are talking about courts. Who is the Chief
Okay.
Justice of India?
DY Chandrachud, sir.
Good. Who is going to be the Chief Justice of India from November 10th?
Sir, sorry, I can't. No, I don't know.
It's a current affair news. Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Justice
Okay, sir.
Sanjeev Khanna. Can you tell me two, three current affair news you remember?
Yes, sir. Uh, Omar Abdullah took over as the oath of CM for Jammu and Kashmir, and Surendra Chaudhary as the deputy CM of JNK. Recently, the issue of India and Canada was in news due to over the death of Nijja Singh, that Canada is claiming India is involved in the illegal deaths happening in Canada. About today news, Asha Lata Devi from Manipur became the first Indian woman to play 100 international football matches. Also, the Indian Railway reduced the reservation period from 120 days to 60 days to stop the black marketing in the tickets.
Not bad. You have prepared you have seen current affair news also. Well, good. Please tell me
Thank
what is the present bank rate?
the 6.83.
No. From where did you get these figures? 8, 3 and all that.
Sorry, sir.
6.75.
Okay, sir.
What is the SLR rate now?
Sir, what, sir?
Statutory liquidity ratio, SLR,
Sir, 18%.
of what?
Sir, NDTL, net deposits,
Correct. Net demand and time liabilities.
net demand. Okay, sir.
Net demand and time liabilities. Good. What are your
Yes.
hobbies?
Sir, photography, content writing, and sketching sometimes.
Content writing for whom?
Sir, actually, for my personal expressions, I write stories and all.
Acha,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Best wishes. Thank you. You did well.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
In my application form, for in the gap column, I have mentioned I was preparing for UPSC, but it was a typing mistake. I was preparing for state civil services, that is MPPSC.
No problem. That's very that
So, sir, should
don't
I
worry about
correct it in the interview?
no, don't worry about it. But then they will say, how did you commit this mistake? Don't you know the difference between UPSC and this?
Sir, it
Let
was
it be
total
there as it
application.
is, as if you are prepared for UPSC. Just get to know what are the features of UPSC examination and be prepared to talk something about the once told lie, let it go on like that. That's all. You have done that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If you change it, it will create a bad name.
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.